If you're new to crypto, then airdrops are a great way to start off cryptocurrency investing. I mean, you get to dip your toe into the cryptocurrency world without actually having to outlay any of your own hard-earned money. G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're talking 5 cryptocurrency projects that will give you cryptocurrencies for free. There's so many different cryptocurrencies out there and new ones being launched weekly, almost daily. And a big part of building a successful cryptocurrency is building the community around it, which is the catalyst for building hype. Now you can spend money advertising or paying influencers to promote your coin, or you can hand out coins or cryptos for free. And then through word of mouth, build your community and hype around your project. So that brings us to, what is the catch? Well, the catch is you need to join these cryptos communities, which at a bare minimum just means joining their Telegram, following them on Twitter, and then maybe retweeting a few tweets, and so on and so forth. Now, when these cryptocurrency projects give you free cryptocurrencies, it's called an airdrop because they just drop them into your address. The amount these airdrops are worth vary from around $25 to $100, but if you're lucky enough to get a coin that happens to moon, that could easily turn into hundreds or even thousands of dollars. That being said, here are 5 crypto airdrops to watch out for this month in May. Okay, so the first airdrop we're going to look at is XMagnet, XMag, and they're going to offer you 200 XMag tokens airdropped for free, worth around 100 USD. Now, XMagnet aims to be the blockchain's premier gaming platform to play, socialize, and stake across multiple blockchain ecosystems. So what do you have to do to get these 200 XMags for free? Well, you just have to follow these 5 steps. Firstly, you have to fill out this form. Then you join XMagnet's Telegram group and channel. You then follow them on Twitter and retweet this tweet. You then submit your Binance Smart Chain wallet address, and then you will receive your 200 XMag tokens in the first week of May. I followed all these steps. It was very straightforward, so I'm looking forward to receiving my XMags. And if you look here, there's only a total supply of 5 million. So getting 200 for free out of 5 million, that sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Next up, we've got Crystal Elephant Token, which aims to create a decentralized, autonomous, revenue-producing digital token that gets stronger as you hold longer. So this one's a good one for you guys that like to hodl for a really long time and never sell. Again, follow these steps, follow them on Twitter and retweet this tweet, join the Telegram, join their Discord. You do have to buy 1 CETO if you can be bothered doing that, and then you can submit this form. Personally, having to buy this CETO, and I did have issues joining their Discord, I gave this one a miss, but feel free to check it out and let me know how it goes. You will get maximum 15 CETOs worth an estimated 40 USD. The third free airdrop coin is called Maxcoin. Maxcoin is a fintech platform, and to participate, you need to join their Telegram, follow their Twitter, follow their Facebook, and their LinkedIn. And if you do that, you get an estimated value of $70. The fourth coin is Bitcoin Pizza. Now, you've probably heard the story of the guy who used Bitcoin to buy pizza and how many millions of dollars that will be worth now. Well, I believe this is why they've come up with the name Bitcoin Pizza. And to get your free Bitcoin Pizza, you need to join their Telegram, follow them on Twitter and retweet, and then just submit your wallet address and you'll get 20 Bitcoin pizzas. Who knows how much that will be worth in the future. And the last coin is MoFi Finance, which is aiming to create a DeFi platform that aims to have such services as yield earning, swaps, NFT platforms, etc., etc. You have to register an account, verify your email, visit their airdrop page, join their Telegram, follow them on Medium, Twitter, tweet their pinned tweet. You do all that, you will get 20 MoFis, $25 worth for your troubles. That is the fifth and final coin I'm looking at
for this video. Guys, if you want me to look at any other coins or any other airdrops, be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will do an updated video as soon as I find out about new airdrop coins.
And let me know any other topics you want me to cover. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. But that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.